Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 466 minimum operations to transform string. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So this one, the way that I would think about it, and I did this in about a couple minutes, is just to sweep line, right? The strategy, and it's kind of it's one of those things, right, where when someone tells you it's obvious, but it's a little bit tricky to come up with if you haven't done it before. But you just have to kind of, I would say the strategy about these things is that, well, one is that it's greedy, right? Because I guess it's just greedy. But and then the other thing is that there are really only two ways to do it. Is one is minimum and the other is maximum, right? There are a lot of ways in between, but that's just like neither here or there. What I mean by that is that if you do one step at a time, then you have some like n square type thing where every step you do one, like you change all the z to a, that's one, y to a, that's two, dot. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 26 or 25, I guess, which is still fine for getting the maximum. To get the minimum, then it is just in a way just sweep line, right? And what I mean by that is just that you go from B first, you go B to C, and then now so this is where you find an invariant where every character is at least C or later. Then when you're at C, you move everything to D, right? Or not everything to D, but everything that's C to D, including the stuff that were previously C, and then so forth. So then once you sweep the line, like sweeping the garbage one at a time and pushing everyone forward, then you will get at most 25. So what happens if you don't have a B? Well, if you don't have a B, then you don't have to do the B to C operation. Dot, right? So then now it becomes a question of, well, what is the furthest character you have to go? And that's basically what the operation is. And you have to be careful of the implementation. But that's basically it. I start with best is 0 to 0, right? And then for every character in F, if it's not an A, then I just have this. You could say it's a formula, but really it's just this is the character number away from A. So B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, and so forth. And then 26 minus that to go the other way, right? And that's it. And then just take the max over all these. And yeah, this is going to be linear time, constant space. Actually, I lied about the constant space. No, this is constant space. This has at most 26 characters, right? So it's constant space. But yeah, I actually didn't even realize I did this. Because you could do it for each character as well. You could, like, for example, if you just change this to S, that's fine. I did it so quick that I just didn't really remember. But yeah, I mean, it's a little bit slower, but it's fine, right? Oh, it doesn't even show. I don't know anymore. Versus if you have this one, yeah, see, much faster because this loop is at most 26, where it's O of n is much bigger, and you do a lot of max comparisons, not duplicate max comparisons, I mind you. So yeah, that's it. That's what I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me yourself live during the contest, virtual contest now. I thought anyway. So okay, maybe a little bit lucky. All right, Q2. I feel like that's been a problem. Only a character. Yeah, I feel like that's a problem that we've seen before. It's just a max character, right? What? Or not max, but keep going, right? So it's just well, I mean, kind of max, but yeah, okay. Doesn't even matter, right? It's just S, right? Then it is going to be C minus A right? So that's the number from A, and then you want to minus 26 from that, because if it's Z, then it'll be 25, and you have 1, and then max of this, right? Come on, like that. 2, 0. Let me double check. So that should be 25. It should be 26, right? So, okay. Honestly, nowadays I'm so much less confident because I'm just not as practiced. Okay. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. Yeah, and everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.